What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. As some of you may already know, I'll be getting married soon, and I'm still very undecided on what hairstyle to do. So I'm carrying you guys along on my journey of experiments. I got inspired by a photo I saw on Pinterest. The person had much longer hair, but I wanted to see what it would look like on hair like mine. If you guys are wondering, I did film a tutorial on this bridal makeup look. I'll be doing my own makeup and I've done so many trials already, but I decided to film this one. So yeah, look out for that. This video is about hair anyway, so here we go. To start off, I'd already prepped my hair, moisturized, detangled, and put it in plaits just to get that extra stretch. So I'll take it down first. I don't think anyone is interested in watching me take down my plaits, to be very honest. That's better. Next, I sectioned off a portion of my hair in front and detangled some more with a wide tooth comb, as you guys will see. My hair was already pre-detangled, so this was pretty easy to do. After that, I did a flat twist from ear to ear. Once you get to the end, you want to twist all the way down. My edges look pretty messed up here, but don't worry, we'll sort that out later. Next, I sectioned off two portions on either ear, and then I did pretty loose twists on the sides of my ears. Looking back, I probably should have done regular tight twists, but it is what it is anyway. Guys, please don't mind these faces I'm making. I'm not really sure what's happening here. So yeah, you want to do the exact same thing on the other side as well. If you guys want a video on how I dye my edges to make them look fuller, I do have a video on that, probably already uploaded or coming up soon. I don't know, but I will link it in this video. So guys, anyway, what I did next was tuck the 2 twists on the sides at the back, and then I secured with a hair tie. I tried to use a bobby pin, but it didn't stay because my hair is not so long. So yeah, I just want to secure those 2 sides, those 2 twists with a hair tie. And then moving on to the back portion, I took 2 medium-sized pieces on either side of my head and crossed one over the other. So you want to tuck that middle section in and then cross one end over the other. And then secure with bobby pins, as you guys will see. If you want to try this hairstyle out, I would advise using black bobby pins if you have black hair, just so that your pins are not like all over the place. So you want to do the same thing by crossing over the sides until you get to the nape. And then lastly, I tucked away the bottom part by rolling it upwards and securing it with bobby pins. I used some bridal hairpins to decorate a little bit. I'm not really big on accessories or anything like that. I used the bridal hairpins to decorate a little bit. I'm not really big on accessories or anything like that. I just randomly placed them around. Obviously I couldn't see what I was doing, so I just felt around to get a good spot for the pins. Oh yeah, don't forget to tuck away the tail of your twist. You can use bobby pins or tuck it into the twist that is on the side or the end of the, you guys know what I mean, right? Just tuck it away, okay? Right, and now the edges. I'll be doing a demo on this edge control I'm using. I'm not going to show you guys right now. It's the only thing that easily lays down my edges. I'm yet to discover anything that lays my edges down like this. It is so good. All right, so that is it, my lovelies. All done. This is what I'm looking like on my day. Like, I'm not mad at it, okay? If you're feeling this too, please give it a thumbs up by liking this video below. Also, leave me a comment in the comment section to let me know any other videos you guys would like to see, bridal videos or just regular hair tutorials or anything. Like, you guys just let me know what you want to see on this channel. And if you have friends that are interested in beauty, natural hair, please share this video with them. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'd love to see you guys on my next one. Have a blessed day. You can subscribe here and be sure to check out some of my other videos.